Are you looking for a stress-free way to move your most important belongings throughout Dubai, Abu Dhabi and the rest of the United Arab Emirates? Maybe you just want to take the stress out of your home or office furnishing. Join the community of thousands successfully transporting their residential and commercial wares with professional movers today. Professional movers are the experts in home and commercial transportation and are proud to be one of the leading moving and storage companies in Dubai. Our team of trained handymen are prepared to tackle any task, from mounting frames, mirrors and curtains to wiring plugs and other electrical items. We also offer quick and easy furniture assembly and dismantling services, as well as complete villa or compound furnishing treatment, decorating your entire space so you can just sit back and relax. Our round-the-clock emergency services are also on hand for those jobs that just can't wait. Log on to our website now at